Google Trends is a powerful tool for discovering trending products and gauging market interest. Here's how to use it effectively. Access Google Trends. Go to Google Trends and sign in with your Google account. Enter product ideas. In the search bar, type a product or keyword you're interested in selling. For example, type wireless headphones or fitness tracker. Adjust filters. You can refine your search by selecting region. Focus on your target market. Time frame. See trends over the past 12 months, 5 years, or a custom range. Category. Narrow your search to specific industries like electronics or fashion. Analyze the data. Interest over time. See how the interest for your product has changed over time. Look for upward trends. Regional interest. Identify where the product is most popular. Related queries. Discover other related products or terms people are searching for. Validate product potential. Products with consistent or growing search interest are more likely to be successful. Compare multiple product ideas to find the best one to sell.